What's the deal, everyone? What's the deal? Sorry, I'm a bit late today. I got held up. I was at the gym, and then I ran out of protein. So I ran to the store, just had some protein, just killed it. Right? Because you gotta have protein after the gym. Well, you gotta have like a insulin kick and then some protein. So you know what I do? I grab a handful of gummy bears right after the gym, and I just stuff my face with gummy bears. And then I fucking go drink a shitload of protein. I dry scoop it, but not no more. Wix is getting old. You dig? Hey, had to tune into the shameless Asian plug tonight. Well, there's no plug. You're in what we were plugging. Kind of strange. I don't know. YouTube is being weird about updating my viewer count live for me. Nice volume. Yeah, we have volume. Need some direction. Oh, we actually have direction as well. I had a decent gym session, but I ran in here late, and it's 8:20, and we still have not discussed anything, right? So hold on 1 second. Let me just adjust some shit. Okay, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom. Here we go. All right, let's get rid of everything from yesterday. Green K, as always. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming through to back me up. Everyone let's support. Chiquito got the right idea. All right, daily, close bullish. Respecting this resistance here, right? But it's still, we filled the daily range. Now, 4 hour, closed bullish, also respecting this resistance. The hourly, it's a nice level of rejection right here for the hourly. For now, it's over here. For now. Like that. Actually, even better. Where can we look for buys here? Ideally, I don't mind this level here for buys. I'd like to see how much range we have here on the hourly. Okay. Anything above here, we'll look for buys. With the daily buys, we come up and break above here, we'll look for more buys. The daily buys. And as for sells, for now to execute sells, it's below this area, okay? Yeah, perfect. We come down here, we're gonna look for sells. Yeah. And if you're asking why all the way down there, not anywhere in here, because at the moment, we might get sells somewhere in here between 1830 and 1826. It might still happen. At the moment, we're not getting them because this is still a range one, right? So if we look at this, we have our support, we have our resistance, range one, we have below here, this would be a resistance once we come down here. At the moment, this was the previous range, right here, range two, right? So anything below here, coming down, is good for us to take sells on. Now, we might come down to these areas, right? We might come down here and then establish a support. And if this happens and we respect this area right here, you see that? Then anything below these candles is a range two breakout, because now you're establishing a range one here, range two, and anything below here is good. So we'll see if we form some kind of support in these areas. If not, we're gonna wait for sells below 1826 over there. But I will not mark that up yet as a range of what we're doing for range two. I'm not going to mark up this middle range here. This is very interesting. I like this 5-minute range here. So now we just created a support here. Right? Technically the level is here. Now we're respecting it. Yeah, we just respected this level. Let's see what kind of play we get here. But 1530. I want the higher time frame to come down below here, close below here, and then come back above. We start doing that. We close back above here. We'll look for buys, fake out buys. So if we come back, we come down below here. Right, we come down below here. We close like this. I'm gonna look for a bullish candle coming back above here. And if that happens, we're gonna look for buys to come up. Okay, basically mirroring what we just had happen right here. Okay. Goes above, go up. All right. Y'all got that? Y'all got that? Right here, I think this is the better level right there. Goes above there. We'll see. This is the 5. I like this too. I like where we're at. We'll see. What's the reason for buys above top wick? 1835, 581. There's a 5-minute level here if you go back in time. Oh well, it also falls in line with this 30. Jay Good. I got your message, Jay Good. One day you'll get wrenched. Don't worry, you'll get wrenched. Just keep showing up. Did you explain the weekly failed close below? I kept scratching at buys last New York session. Weekly drove down, never broke the lows. Coming up. But we only have one day in the weekly, so we might end up closing bear. And if we close bear like this on the weekly, next week you're going to look for Monday, Tuesday bullish days. Right? Because right now we have bullish days. The candles are closing, right? So we're getting a pullback, right? We're creating the bottom wick for the weekly candle over here. From 1831 down to 1806, that's the bottom wick for the weekly candle. What you're going to see next week, since this is the daily, this is probably what you're going to see next week. You're going to see this, and then you're going to see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. And that candle on the weekly is going to end up looking... Oh, wait. That was wrong. Did that wrong. I'll end up looking... This is going to be your weekly candle next week. Right? Coming down to fill the wick. This area right here is your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right? If we close like this. And then you can break it down even to the simpler time frames. Getting a 30 closure here, right? This is nice if we can get the next 30 to come back up above here. We will look for some buys, fake out buys. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to say we're going to look for fake out buys. I need the hourly to respect this hourly level. Roll on before stream, but to take me a little late. You guys ain't in buys right now. Man. It's calm chat. It's calm chat. You get a wrench one day. Okay, I'm looking at Black Bull currently, but I'm considering going back to hang. Hold tight. Hang tight, K. Hang tight. I got you. Hang tight. It's about that time. Chad, grab your weed and papers. Yes. I discovered the channel very recently. Can you teach us how to do the analysis or suggest material to read or watch? Yes, I'm doing that right now, right? We just did a breakdown and told you what I'm looking for. And that's it, right? That's how we learn here. You guys try to emulate my best qualities while trying to ignore the worst ones, and that's how we try to learn here. Right? That's the education. Do you lift high? Yes, absolutely. My pre-workout is a fat Jamaican joint. I was holding on to TD, but with Q2 approaching, I'm ready to load up. Load up wherever you got to load up. And I will be, in the next few months, I will be discussing further opportunities and what I'm going to be doing. And maybe a lot of you guys will actually think this is beneficial for you and do that as well. Who really spent 300 on Starbucks? That's lame. Yeah, that's kind of grimy. When I say buys above, this is not right now. This is not on this 5 minute coming up. Absolutely not. No. We have broken the previous hourly lows here. I'm gonna look for the next hour for this hourly to respect this area. There's no moves till this 4 hour close. Yeah, sorry, chat. I came out the gym. I didn't get a chance to finish smoking this. I was smoking this on the way. It's alright, enjoy this beat for now. Oh yeah, beautiful. Not a single cough. I know. I just did that right now. Bro, rushing the high? No, I'm just trying to get it in and out. And I'm all about speed here. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get this in and out. It's about time management. My Rasta, my believer in the Haley Celeste is it's the next coming up. No, no, I'm no Rasta. I'm a Jamaican Rasta. Hey, K, thank you for the $1. Green, thank you for the $1.50. Husnain Tahir, thank you for the $1.99. $1.99 sativa or indica right now for the stream, probably sativa, but after the stream, definitely indica. Wix, you take this fake out with 5 or 1 hour. I was hoping this 30 closed below, and it did, and now I'm going to wait for the next 30 to close above, and if it does that, we'll see the 1 hour respecting this area, right? And hopefully we'll get an indication on the small time frame of a bottom wick and a start of a new bullish move. If that happens, the 4 hour will close as well. And the 4 hour will close bullish. So then we'll look. Here's the thing: in 30 minutes, we need to close. 21 minutes here, we need to close above 1831.96. If we can do that on this 30 candle, it will be a fake out back in range. It will be a 4 hour closing bullish above range. It will be the 1 hour respecting this support. And then we can have the 5 closing above this area as well, right? Above all this little play here. And if it does that, buy, oh buy, oh buy. We are full margin in all of your accounts. All of your accounts. Oh shit. I started coughing from that. Damn.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Damn. Ooh. That was a tough one. That was a tough one. Alright, so that would make a lot of sense here on the 5 then. If we can pull up above here on the 5, this is the 4 hour I think as well, right? So look at the 4. Yeah, that'll be the 4 hour closing above. And it'll be the 5. Closing above these areas. This is just a clean fill here. But we must come back up above here, Chad. If we don't, that's gonna be one of those chalkity chalk sessions. Congrats on 8. Yo, we got to 8K. I didn't even realize, did we? Hold on, let me check. 8K, baby. Woo-hoo! Well, actually, hold on. Before I 8,001. Yes. Chat. Thank you. That's a W. Thank you. I appreciate you. What's the deal, Dill? Thank you for the $2 donor. Just a reminder, Wix is number 1 rule. Buy low, sell high. No, just buy high, sell high. Always high. 8,001. Yo, if you're new here, drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on notifications. You know when we're on that way. You won't miss a beat, baby. Not missing a stream that way. All right. Hey Siri, remind me Wix9 is streaming every day at 8 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. Alright, I just set up your Siri for you guys. You're all good now. You guys are all good. Seems just like yesterday we were at 200. Yeah. Buck 99, thank you. Shout out, bro. This example, if price on the left shows that it moves up cleanly each time, but there are supports on the way down, and this happens 2 out of 3 times, should you take note of these supports? If it's not, yeah. And see if you can utilize them, and if you can't, scratch them and take note of something else. You're see now you've seen something, now you're recognizing it on the chart, so you're seeing something happen over and over, right, and repeat on the charts, and you're recognizing it. So now your mind has recognized the pattern, right? It's not a candle pattern, but it's a specific something that repeats here. So now you see, hey, in which case can I use this to my advantage to that pattern, right? Like if I know this is going to repeat here, how can I use this to my advantage? Maybe I can use it to my advantage not to enter a position, but to figure out a sense of direction, to figure out a sense of volume, to figure out a sense of risk management, right? Some kind. And if it doesn't, you can't utilize it in any way, then scratch it and deuces. Absolutely, Mamo G. We'll grab a fillet mignon at the finest meat place. Taking you to Publix. Gotta set my C trader up ASAP so I can trade my personal account too. Yep. That sounds like a good idea. I want a double McChicken date with Wix once I become profitable. They still make those? They still make McChickens? I feel like after a certain amount of... I don't know, actually. Let me not say nothing. Maybe McDonald's will sponsor me one day. I can't be saying nothing bad about no McChickens. Shit, word. Get 2 of them. Matter of fact, get 2 of them and get a lettuce bun. You get 2 McChickens and a lettuce bun. Fire. I miss Tion Wayne. I don't know. McChickens can be easily consumed while not profitable. Fact. Drawdown hitting hard in the gym workout. Who's in drawdown right now? Be honest. Honestly, chat. Okay, remember this conversation like a year ago with the double McChickens? I know you remember this conversation. You had something to say. You said ew. I remember it. I remember it like it was February, but it was more like May. That was last month? Well, maybe my McChickens are messed up. Maybe I'm thinking about a different McChicken conversation. Matter of fact, that's too many McChickens. You know, that's too many conversations about McChickens in my life. Thank you, Memo. What up, Ruben? What up? Honestly, who throws a shoe? Word. Throws a shoe, honest. Need to drink a bottle of Macallan and have 2 McChickens. You need to wash the McChickens with a Macallan before you can eat it. You can't eat them like that. You ever bite into a McChicken and they go baka? That's why I like boneless chicken, right? I just be eating eggs. It's the best boneless chicken ever. Can you do a 24-hour stream at 10K? No, but we will do a 24-hour stream with Don at his 50K. And you know what that means? That means I don't have to be on there for 24 hours. I can just come through for like 3, 4, be out, go to the gym, come back, let him sleep, host for a little while. We'll do it. It'll be fun. We'll laugh, we'll cry, we'll hold hands. All the regular stuff. You know the deal. Fuck with edibles. Why? You got these brownies? Humans are a strange breed of animal. Yeah, some of them are vegetables. Bro, you high as hell? No, I'm not. I wish I was. Nah, y'all fall asleep on the stream. No, we'll do it in sections. I think K will be there for a few hours. Green will be there for a few hours. I'll be there for a few hours a few times. Don will sleep on stream. The only thing I'm not doing is taking the noon to 4 slot. I'm not taking the, no, even the noon to 4 or the 4 to 8 slot, I won't be doing. Everything else I'm good with. With the good, a good 10 hours out of that, I ain't doing it. I'll take 5 to 6 slot. That's the rollover time. That's the, what is that called? Swap fee time. Thank you, Tito. Appreciate it. Now it's now it's time to get to 10K, right? Popular now. Stop it. Stop. Seems like yesterday you were at 4K. Yeah, January. January we had 4K. We doubled up. It was a strong poker hand in the last 2 months. What kind of hair were you locking before the locks? So, when you're growing out your hair, and especially when you have hair like mine where it just stands like a fro, you go through that weird stage where it's not really long enough that you can do anything with it, but it's not short enough to look good or clean, so you're just walking around looking doofy, right? And that stage is roughly a year. Like, are you willing to dedicate a year to the doofy look? But then it's a big switch. It's like becoming profitable in trading. It's like all of a sudden, boom, you got the locks, you got the long hair, you got, you got the respect. Lock talk, yeah. Let your hair grow out for a year before you locked it? Me too. And you know what happened, Kay? You know what happened? My hair was this long before I locked it, right? And then when I locked it, this was it. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, yo, where's the rest of my hair? And they were like, it's right there. It's in there. It's in that lock. I was like, why is my lock 2 inches and my hair was like 30? They're like, yeah, you lose half your length. I was like, I lost all my length. What the fuck? Bruh, when I got my shit locked up, this shit looked, what, you can tell right here, right here. This was the initial lock right here. You can tell. Imagine this shit, my whole head and knees. Y'all would laugh me off the motherfucking screen if I showed up here with my whole head like this. Be like, damn, unicorn. What the fuck? Word. My ass was an island boy trying to make it. Oh shit. We'll all be there one day, Tito. You have any updates about the traders domain withdrawal issues from your side? No, I'm not. I don't work for them. I'm in the same boat as you. I just have a lot more faith in them than you, because I have a lot more experience with them than you. Is it true you live next door to the Island Boys? About half hour. Not taking a buy or just talk about nothing. At this moment, we are on the Island Boys. Do you have to do maintenance on the regular with the locks? Yeah, roughly every 2 to 3 months. They don't unlock, right? It's just you get new growth, right? So your roots grow out. So in order for them not to be frizzy, you have to go get your roots tightened. Then we break the high. What's the scoop with the locks? Okay, guys, the scoop for sure. Prodigy, you know better. The 5-minute range reminds me of a Range Rover because when will it be over? What? Those are terrible bars. What up, Wix? Wagwan Mayu. What you say, Eddie? Big man, Eddie. Not my sister. They moved from Parkland? Oh, well, I didn't know. I thought they were still in Parkland. Did you trail your stops this morning, Wix, or let it run? I trailed them to 20 pips in profit, and I closed at... I'm sorry, I trailed them to 25 pips in profit. I closed at 24. My trade closed at 24 this morning. So you figure it out. Years locked up. Damn. Won't let me out. The Wix got you streaming on the 75. Damn. You still don't got Biggs. Yo, you don't have Biggs beat. Biggs had us streaming on in a movie theater. He had us on the big screen. Shout out to Biggs. Hope he comes back. I know what you wanted, Prodigy. I know what you want. Hayden Rozalski. What's up, Wix? Rozalski. Remind me of you ever seen that cartoon, Monsters? There's a little monster they used to walk around, just a round one with the one big eye. His name was Wazowski. That's what your last name is on it. Rozalski! Benjamin Tia. Wix, do you consider it a range 2 on the 1 hour? As if you look at the 5-minute and the 15-minute, there's actually a range 2 already. Yes, but I want this on the higher time frame. I want this on the 30 here, on the 1. I understand the 15 has like a range here, and then you broke below here. But I think right now you have this on the 15, but we can also have this here on the 15. Or below, I think we can come down. There's potential to come down to 1828.8 areas, right? And then do the same thing as it's doing right now on the 15, plus do that at the same time on the 30, on the hourly, on the 5. We can have that done on all time frames together somewhere at this level right here. Okay? Maybe even at this level, maybe at this level. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it comes down here. But I want to come up with a level where they all fall in line, not just the 15. That's why we wait. That is why we wait. Your patience is going to get you paid, right? So we get paid to wait here. Do you only consider range 2 on the 1? No, I consider it a range 2 on the higher time frames. Yeah, the one, the 30. But it's got to form. Sometimes you can get it on all the time frames. A lot of times you can get it on all the time frames. Triangle 1826, yeah, sounds about right. Dan the analyst. Dan the analyst. One-eyed Mike the man. Yeah, Mike. Four hour did close here. We didn't respect. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, we did respect this area, huh? Look, yeah. I mean, 4 hour closed weak bullish, but still closed bullish, and even if it closed doji, I'd expect us to continue to fill the highs. Let's see if we can get some closures. Closures back in range. Is on the hourly here, we closed below the range, so this could just be a top wick, right, for the hourly to drive down. Yeah, so if this could be a top wick for the hourly to drive down. I think above here I'll be okay with the 5 closing above there, because look at these areas here, right? Just draw this across here, right? If we look for buys above here right now, look at these rejections here. Any moment we can reject in here, but we close bullish above here. There's really not much rejection. It tends to fill this area every time, and that would be about 20 pips in profit, 25 here at the fill of the wick. Coming up here. Let's see. stops here. Yeah, 43 for 51 roughly. Right, if we do close above there. At least 3 4-hour candles failed to make new highs, and if that if it doesn't make a new high, we won't be in there. $8K, Wix 9 dub. Thank you, Joseph. Absolutely, definitely a dub. Thank all of you. I appreciate everyone that's here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for making this worthwhile. These are awesome. Now keep dropping likes and continue to sub to the channel. This way we keep getting more new viewers, grow the community. We ain't about this toxicity. What's that level above 1835? 1838.65. It's our hourly range here. Thank you, Joey. Appreciate you. We flip here and the hourly starts coming down. We're gonna have to wait for some closures on the hourly then. Session's basically over, yeah? I mean, it's not much. We don't come here expecting a trade, but we do come here expecting a win if we trade, right? So we're not gonna trade nonsense. What's the reasoning behind level 1832.98? Fake out on the higher time frame, right? We had a range here. We closed below this area. Right? So now if the hourly closes above this area, this is a fake out, right? You see it close below and now come back above. Some people would take sells here once you close below, but we wait with the daily bias being bullish and we're looking for this fake out to happen, right? So that's why I wrote right here, fake out. Now, I don't just want the fake out to close above, I also want the cherry on top with the 5 closing above here, right? Because there's no play above here on the 5 at all. So if we get the fake out plus the 5 closes above there, you see how time frames will fall in line? We will take buys, my friend. But at this moment, you're kind of forced to wait on this next hourly because you need the hourly to close bullish, right? You can't take a buy within this hour because any moment within this previous red hourly candle, until we break the highs, we can still reject. So you have two options here. You either wait for the previous candle high to break here to start looking for buys, or you wait for this candle to close bullish to start looking for buys. Those are your two options here at this point. Otherwise, at any moment, the probability of your trade is just that much lower because this candle has not closed or not broken the previous high, and the previous one has closed bearish back in range. If the previous one closed bearish but respected 1831.517, I'd have our levels much lower. But right now we need this extra piece of 1832.970. Watching live from Zimbabwe. Incredible. I never thought I'd reach people in Zimbabwe, but I did. I fucking did. Told you, ma. Oh, my mom loves this shit. I have a question. Can you still make decent money with little pip gains? Yes. North part of the strip is homeless encampment up by the... What is he talking about? Smelling like old cigarettes? K always has the best comparisons. Is a limp trade its own platform? I'm not even sure what that is. What a limp trade. 480. That part of the strip you might not make it out. Regulated. Trading for the last 6 months. I was homeless and now I'm living in a hotel making $600 a week. Well, at this rate, you're going to be doing much better a month from now, right? Just keep working on the rate of increase, on your acceleration out of poverty, right? Keep working on that. Can you tell me on what time frame and how you drew the 1839 level? Well, I grabbed the rectangular right here, the tool, and 1832. I just explained this, didn't I? 1832.9. We just went over this. This was the 1 hour fake out and above the 5 minute level. This is where if we close above this, we're gonna drive. Every time we close above here, we drive on the 5 minute. See? Close above, build the range, close above, build the range, close above, build the range. So if we close above here, once again, right? If we ended up closing above here, we will take more buys up, fill this range just like we've done previously right here. But at this moment, we are heading down because the 1 hour flipped, didn't it? No, not yet. The 1 hour didn't flip, but that's what I was saying, right? Any moment, right? That's why we don't just take buys once we come up above there. We're going to need the 1 hour closure because that previous 1 hour, see, closed below this area, below 1831.46, back in range here. So any moment it can flip and drive down. Tonight we might range until tomorrow. Yeah, that's a possibility. Like, we're not here to do dumb shit. We're here to break down the markets. You're here to actually put in the time and learn from experience, right? The best kind of learning experience is the one that you experience, not that you want the one that you just watch, read about, you know, go to a boot camp for. No, this is live on the charts. The best experience. Now you're getting knowledge in candle closures and what they mean, in patience, in reasoning, in logic, not just risk management. Because that's all it is, right? When I take a position, then you get knowledge in risk management. Right now, you're getting knowledge in reading the candles. High stuff set. All right. You want to trade agent session for GJ or do you trade NYC open? I trade gold only and I trade New York mostly and Asian sometimes, but I do stream Asian every single weekday. Adab from Pakistan, Mr. Wicks. I don't know what that means. Probably means what's up. Well, Google user, what's up? Thank you for showing up. Appreciate you. Oh, wait, it's that time. I know, nobody say nothing. Yep. We know green. I was just on it. You go through a lot of strategies to get to this one? Yes. How do you deal with your losses? I have a really short memory. I can't even tell you my last trade. It was a W. Oh, it was this morning. Yeah, 24 pips. I have a really short memory. I forget my trades as soon as I'm done going over them. What state has zero income tax? This shit right here. What up? Wicks just woke up to watch live from London. Welcome, Leon Zed. Glad to have you. You've missed nothing. you smoke while trading or before and after, all of that. Before, during, and after. What the fuck, Comp?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Made me lazy and confused? Yeah, then you shouldn't smoke. It's not for everybody, but it is for me. Want to learn how to snowboard before I get old? It's easy. It was easy. You know how I learned? My very first time ever on a mountain. We were little kids. My friends were really good. They took me up to the peak, the very peak. It took like 40 minutes on a gondola to go up, right? So it took about an hour and a half for me to come down on my ass. But in that hour and a half of coming down on my ass and crashing and rolling over and falling, I learned how to snowboard. But I'm a quick learner. James Mamaya, thank you. I do one day. It's good? Right there. Perfect. Now we can all see the chat. Yeah, Kane going alone with nobody nowhere. These are crazy. Man, somebody buy this man a banana hammock. He needs some underwear. Cold sleeping, word. Gold passed the fuck out. for that 4-hour bearish flip. Dimitar Tunnelkov, are you familiar with ICT concepts and what do you think of it? I am not, so I shall not voice an opinion on things I am not knowledgeable in. Right? We must be intellectually honest with each other. And I'm not familiar with ICT. So I will not speak on it. Or him, or her, or whatever. Glenn fell asleep again? Yeah, the perks kicked in. The Moxie 30s. Damn, Glenn's going through it. Sorry, Glenn. Sorry you're going through it. Coming down here, chat. Coming down. Come on down. Establish Look at GJ over 100 pips. GJ smack. GJ wait for it to form structure. Big spike on GJ.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Check out GJ BOJ News.
How about new?
GJ may still go 4 hour.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
If I move to Miami and do wax on, wax off, will you mentor me?
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Got a candle closing here, right? In 30 seconds. What can we use as stops here? "15 seconds, chat. I can't take this. Is too far. I need this to come up. I need this to come up, create some kind of... This should drive, technically. This might drive with no top wick at all. Straight down. But I can't take this. I can't take the stop. I need a 5-minute level here. If we can break up into this area here, right now. Yeah, it's good to come down here. It's looking good. Let me see, maybe. Yeah, if we can come up somewhere into these 1829 areas, I might look to have a sell. But I can't, like, this is a great closure. I just need another 5-minute level created here. I need a support, a resistance, and a 5-minute level, and then we can take these sells. Okay, chat, here's what I'm doing. I want to close bullish here. See, perfect. We're coming up to the 1829 areas. This is exactly what we wanted here. This is where we had wicks to before. 1829, 1830 areas. We want to close bullish here. That's what we want. And then we want to break these lows. So below here, once we close bullish, we will look for position. Okay? This will be key here. lot of time here. We could just flip and drive here, right? But that's not what I want. One minute here. Ah, wow, what a flip. I'm not in, chat. I'm not in. I wanted us to close bullish there, right? To establish a support. But at the moment, we're respecting this area. Did this break the lows? Yeah, it rebroke the lows. It comes out, it rebreaks the lows right now. It broke the previous candle lows. Not 20 seconds. Will it hold? No, it'll drive. Yeah. Debating on these entries, but no, I'm not in here, chat. Pulls up. 3, 2, 1. All right, so this closed bullish. Oh, and this is coming down right away, huh? Okay, so now that this 5-minute closed bullish, we can say this is our support. We've established a support here. Now, if we close below this area on the next 5-minute, we'll take shorts. Okay? We will look for sells below here. If it drives, but we're gonna wait for this closure. Wick special? Not necessarily. There's a support here that it established. I don't know. It's a wick special if this was a higher time frame, maybe, but it's not. Nice, we close here below here on the 30 on the hourly. We get a top wick to 1830, 1831. And then come back down and flip. We can fill this candle down. I'm gonna stay on probably a little bit longer, maybe 10:15, 10:20. Okay, Erwan. Okay. What are the stops? We're not in any positions. What stops? At the moment, we're creating a 5-minute range. Pulling back. Creating a 30-minute and an hourly bottom wick that we need to fill on the next candle as long as we close below 1830.61. How will we do that? We will look to the smaller time frames for confirmations and for indications, right? Good night, Valentino. Thank you for coming through. How can you have stops when no traders open? See, Glenn, this is the strange thing about these live streams. People do the damnedest things. But Now that you're a regular, Glenn, you'll see these things often. Did you open position? No, we have no positions. We spoke about this. I clearly said I'm not opening positions here. We needed a bullish closure below the range which we got, then we established the support, and I told you guys until Wix 12 here comes through here, it gives me the okay. There's no positions. Can I trade? Yes. Thank you. Okay, we got the okay. All right, thank you. Let's go. Wix, are you still trading on TD? Yes, sir. For now, just for now. What do you want? You need something? Let's go. My kids are fighting over the remote. Sir, I'm low count from your signal. Sir, I don't have signal and I did not take trade this session. My last trade was a 24 pip win. So how do you lose when I win? If I'm doing this live in front of you. Please gold buy or sell, thank you please. At the moment it's nothing. It doesn't necessarily have to be always a buy or a sell. Sometimes there's no position. It doesn't mean that now because you're on charts, the charts have set up for you because you've come here. No. No trade for you. Is there news? No. Do you still need range 2 breakout if previous 4-hour low is broken? Daily is still bull, right? Well, this will be a range 2 breakout if we break these lows. Daily is still bull, yes. And that's why we have the range 1, range 2, so we know when we can take positions against the daily bias. Yeah, I'm good with tapping the levels we tapped here at 1830.5. I'm good with these levels. We just need to come back down and close below. Is this our original level here, right? Perfect, chat. This is perfect. Let's get this hourly closure. Let's come back below, or let's leave a bottom wick here. And we close below 1830.6 on the hourly. We will look for a top wick and some sells to fill the wick here on the hourly. Okay? Sir, I sell when you buy. May the Lord have mercy on your soul, Junior. Thank you for the $2. Appreciate you. That's next level. He paying the troll then. It's next level. Word. Word. I go bankrupt to prove a point. Nah, nobody has to get banned. Wicks be talking to himself. You're right. But you know what? I enjoy talking to brilliant people. And that's just what I do. Coming back down here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we need disclosure below here right now, below 1829.38. If we get a 5 bearish closure, you did get a 5 bearish closure right there. Now it's filling the range down. We expected this, right? It's just not our position. Wicks, please put on some Drake. I can't. YouTube will take my stream down. Where are stops? We will determine that before we enter a trade. But right now, we do not have any stipulations to enter a trade. Who are these people? Never seen these names before, for real? That's because we got new viewers. The YouTube algo is working. It's doing its job, right? We're providing value. You guys are liking the stream, subbing to the channel, turning on notifications. YouTube's recommended it to like-minded people, like-minded traders. We're growing the community. We're getting the toxicity out of here. Actually, we're bringing in more toxicity, but then we're slowly curing it. We're curing everyone that's toxic, right? So the healthiest Forex stream on the internet. The least toxic Forex stream out there. Yeah, I appreciate all of you swinging here. Swinging here. Swinging by here. Scalping here. Let's just see what happens as this hourly closes. This is key here. Really want to see how this hourly closes. Ideally, the 5 that breaks us below here is the next 5, not this 5. Ideally, we don't break these levels yet. Means everyone learning. Beautiful. Can't lie, there's less buy or sell. Yeah, there is. There's less of that. First time tuning in with you. Pleasure to be here. Thank you for showing up, Quiet Storm. It's one of my favorite tracks ever. For real, for real. But yeah. Thank you for being here. Drop a like, sub to the channel. We're here every single weekday. We're not here tomorrow because at this time it's already the weekend in Asia. So don't show up at 8 p.m. tomorrow. But we will be back on Monday, right? Monday morning and the rest of the week. Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Come back and spend some time with us. Make some money with us. Get some value. I saw Sean Kemp shot someone. I saw. That's my favorite basketball player back in the day. Used to be. Second time tuning in. Lucky you're not smoking pot like last time. Why? Last time was a W. And I just smoked some weed. Word. Why wouldn't I smoke? I'm a cannabis connoisseur. That's what I do. Smoke. You want me smoking so I could be me. If I ain't me, how am I going to give part of myself to you guys and educate you if I can't be fully myself? Came here to support, like your way, and that you're a smoker. Beautiful. Incredible. Love it. Yugi, 5-minute bearish pin bar is a good sign that they're rejecting so we can take a sell? No, 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 no. This is just telling you it's finding some kind of resistance. Not a good place to take a sell. Okay? That's how y'all be in a crowd. Why you trade gold during Asia? Because that's all we trade. I trade gold. All right. How you, PTR? What is that melody? I don't know. I didn't come up with it. Straight and have learned so much from you. Awesome. Awesome. That's the point. For you to learn. Wix, where do you live by? Right near the beach, boy. Wix got me. Beat got me here freestyling. Yeah, that's a good beat. We got 500 people here today. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you guys for showing up. I truly appreciate it. Buy gold 1827, stop loss 1825. Okay. You mean like have a buy limit? Thanks for the free signal, Mr. Miguel. Minutes to stream end. Let's go. No, we're getting a closure here. We need this hourly closure, which we're getting. And we also need 5 minute below here. Yeah, you guys can do better on the likes. We can get 300 likes today. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Yo, thank you so much for the 8K subs. I appreciate it. We're on our way to 10K. Let's keep growing this community. Sleep 4 to 5 hours a day. That's normal. It's not. In today's world, that's pretty good. 4 a.m. in the Netherlands. Incredible. You in Amsterdam? Does bro ever take a live trade? Well, you don't show up here then. How can you speak on things you don't know anything about? Well, actually, you're right. You're asking a question. Does bro ever take a live trade? The answer to that is yes. Bro does take live trade. Yeah, it could happen, James. We got the hourly, right? The hourly closed here. Need a top wick or a 5 minute closure. Let's see what happens here right now. Nice if we can come up, re-break these highs, reach like 1831 levels and come back down. It says stream record right there. I know, but I wasn't going to make it easy for him. I wasn't going to be like, look, it shows you the amount of trades. That would be too easy for him. I figured let him work a little. Maybe his eyes can wander to the corner of the stream. Wix 9, you're so fine, you're so fun, you blow my mind, go Wixie. Go Wixie. Like as soon as I got here, incredible. Is it me or does PC and Mac have different but the same font like I only notice when I smoke? Change your strains, change what you're smoking, you know. Go with the hybrid next time. I trade Armadillos, they be rolling. Straight cheese. You learn nothing else from this stream, and Don's, you will learn patience and precision. Yes, sir. So you have taken a live trade tonight? Just waiting for conditions in your setup? Abso-fucking-lutely. What time frame do you enter trades at? Typically on the 5, sometimes on the 1 and the 30. It happens. We've had a few trades on the higher time frames, but we try to stick to the 5. More precise. Smoked some Mac 11 and lava cake earlier. Well, I hope you still got some left. All right, chat. Maybe we'll get a trade here at the end of the stream, right? We'll take a trade and just hop off. Anyone down for that? Lava glow. I got these cheeseburgers, man. It's 15-minute wicks. It's alright. They mean nothing. They mean nothing at this point. We're just in a little range. We're in a smaller time frame range. These wicks mean nothing. Do you like the 1 hour flip? No. I like the 1 hour making a top wick and coming back down to re-break its own low on the previous 1 hour low. If we can come back up, make a top wick here on this current 1 hour and then come back down and break the previous 1 hour low, I'll be in positions. But I'm not going to sit here for the next 1 hour, right? I've already missed enough time with my kids, so I'm going to see if we can get this to happen in the next maybe 15, 20 minutes, and then I'll hop off. Okay? Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
What time zone you in? Right near the beach, boy! That could be anywhere. That's right. The beach time zone. I trade according to the beach time. You know what they say? If you got a fucking beach, I'll fucking be there. Have you used indicators before? Of course. My favorite indicator is these candles and the EYES indicator. The top 2 indicators ever. Like, it's not hard to read the screen. Like, it does say EST on the screen. Oh, why does it say EST and it's cut off? Hold on. I gotta fix that. This needs to be like right there. Oh, it's still cut off. What the fuck? Do you speak German? No, I can only curse. Du bist ein Arschloch! I've been to California when I was much younger, in my teenage years. Joker smoker. All right, this is perfect. We're coming up on this hourly, creating a top wick. Maybe we can come up here, break 15, previous 15 highs, grab some liquidity over here. 1830.5. Not too shabby. No, too shabby. What is normally your normally lot size? I raised my lot size this month to 10. Every trade in March has been 10 lot. That's right, every single one. Smoked 2 during the stream so far, rolling another as we speak. Jay Good, how you trying to be a high performing mod while you're hot? Well, actually, scratch that. Yep, go for it. Up the dosage, Jay Good. The more weed, the better. The higher you are, the higher you perform. I swear you had a bigger account than Don at some point. No, we had very similar accounts. He was a little bit ahead of me. Now he's a little further ahead of me, but we're still growing our accounts. No, I didn't have a bigger account than him. When you're probably not talking about accounts. That was about something. We were talking about something else. Yeah, that's bigger. But account, no. In your opinion, what's a good lot size range for 200K funded? 10 lots. $10 lots, 2% risk on every trade. This more or less. So the hourly came up, barely made a top wick, but it did. Just need some closures. Call in the chat. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna call it real soon too. I think in about 10-15 minutes we'll call it. 10:25, I think I'll call it 10:30. Well, we'll see. Unless we got positions, then I might call it a little bit after. Again, chat, thank you for coming through. Thank you for showing up the entire week. It's been a great week. We had one trade, right? Tuesday we had a trade. Monday and Wednesday we didn't have a trade because there's just rangy days. And today, no trade yet. No trade. Might end up being a one trade Asian for the week. But we had a bunch of trades in the New York session. What is your opinion to the academies where you can learn trading like I Am Academy? I believe that you do not need to spend money to learn anything in Forex. It is 2023, and everything that you need, want, or can use to become a profitable trader is already available on the internet for free, on YouTube, on Google, through Baby Pips, through Controller Effects, through the Discords. Everything you need, all the help you need, and all the info is already available. The rest is up to you on how to utilize it, how to show up to the charts, and make sure you don't spend all your money while learning and save as much as you can. Try to really learn. Don't be greedy, and Forex will not be your downfall. Doesn't Farza sound like the voice in your head? Like, that's exactly what the voice in your head right now is doing. It's driving down, sell, 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 sell. Oh, it's rejecting. Delete, delete, delete. Get out of my head. And a little more range, a little more range. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna wait this 30 closure out, I think, and that's it. This final 15-minute candle of our stream here. Got in on the top wick, LOL, up 10 pips. Ain't gonna lie. What will your stops be once you close below 1828? I will look for... probably... because you gotta look, you gotta be logical, and the most ideal stop, regardless of what we have going on here, is right here. This 52 pip stop. This is the most logical. That's above the previous 5-minute range. We can break into the previous 5-minute range, and then we can break back below it and drive back down. At which point I'll have pineapples. But here the logic is once we break above 1833.2 here, we're gonna be bullish at that point. See, we even have it buys above here. But until then, I think if we close above here, that would be my stop. 1833.5.3, 1833.3.2, something like that. The 5-minute flag. What kind of flag is it? Italian? It's because it look Italian. Tired streamer. Yeah, it's kind of dragged here. This has been our session right here so far, right? This little dragon. Yeah, I think I got a minute to roll this J here, right? Because this is taking too long. Chat, I'm gonna roll this J. And if there's no closures, we don't drive down here by the time I roll this J. This stream is going kaput. Capiche? What are your stops if it closes above 1830? At the moment I don't have any because I'm gonna need more ranges created. I don't know if it's gonna be 1830. I think the stops I would use for buys above 1832.97 have not been created yet. That's how I'm approaching this. I believe on the way up here we will create ranges that I can utilize as stops on the 5-minute. It's not just black and white. Oh, we will use this. Or what about this? What will we use in this case? No, it's not black and white because it's a lot of gray area, a lot of uncertainty because candles haven't printed yet. The real question is, does Wix use a grinder, scissors, or his hands when breaking down the bud? I use a coffee grinder, if you really want to know. I have a regular grinder, but most of the time, because it's big amounts, right, I'll use a coffee grinder. Calling it a night. Thank you for coming through, Glenn. Hope you're feeling better. Yo, hope they returned your wheelchair to you. Somebody took Glenn's wheelchair last night on stream. Boom. Rolled. That was easy. Glenn's wheelchair, sponsored by Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels leading the way. What papers do you like? I'm using the raws right now. I'm using some raw papers. Pre-roll? No, I don't do pre-rolls. I roll my own thing and I roll it fast as fuck. Told you, I'm a connoisseur. I do this. I really do this. Zigzag? No, no zigzag. Oh, see you guys later. Yeah, I think this is pretty much it. This is our stream. We're not getting this closure below. It's 10:30. Pretty late. I would say wait for London. These ranges are still valid at the moment. Well, the sell range, right? The sell below here is still valid at the moment. Now, the buys, like I just said, we might end up printing some new levels on the way up, right? And as we come up here, no, don't do that. Right? As we come up here and we start printing new levels, we start, reaching new levels, you're gonna see some play here. Oh, sorry. I didn't see some fat candle, skinny candle. What you always see in real life, right? These are best friends. Here. These two are always at the club partying together. They are. Together, they make a good team. But yeah, if once this creates ranges here, then you can utilize these ranges as your stops for buys up. Until then, our advantage price, I showed you guys. Fill this range, probably 1826.84 if we do start getting closures below here, which would be roughly 12 pips, 13 pips. Okay. You always got to get past the linebackers to get the QB. It's true. It's true. You got to have a homie take one for the team. Always have a wingman. Never tell him anything, but always have him with you. Can you explain slippage? Mr. Bryson, it's irrelevant right now. Slippage is when your price activates way or closes, right? When your position gets managed way past your set levels. Happens during extremely high volume times during really volatile markets. Outside of that, you shouldn't worry about that. We don't trade the news anyway. All right, chat. This is our stream. Watch the next 5 is just going to drive down, close below. Yeah, hold on. We might end up having a trade here, chat. I don't want to do this. I don't want to grow up, because even if I did, I wouldn't be a Toys R Us kid. Alright, I got this J rolled. I said I'd stick it to 1030, but it's funny how the very last candle of the day that I was going to stick it out to is the one that's actually going to close here below. That's kind of grimy, right? Of gold to do this right now. Do this to me! It's crazy, right? I hope this shit don't close below. I swear. Yo, this closes below, I'm flipping my table. Spark it with us unless you go inside? Yeah, I'm definitely going outside. Because I'll spark it right now and then I gotta go to all the kids' bedrooms and give them a kiss goodnight. They're probably all sleeping already. I'm a terrible father right now. I feel terrible. So they're all probably sleeping. I gotta go kiss each one. Chart, if you hear me, please close below.
How about no?
Not me, it's the chart. Ay, ay, ay. Three minutes here, chat, and we'll call it a session. Hey, are the mods still here? I figured the mods would be smart enough to just dip. You know, the family that comes over always fucks everything up, but leave early enough where they don't have to clean shit. And then the family that gets stuck and like stayed a little longer, now they want to leave, but they can't leave because now they gotta help you clean up, wash the dishes, bring everything to the kitchen. Let's fix the fucking, fix the chairs, fucking find the kids, fix everything that they fucking broke, argue with each other why they stayed late, right? Like yeah, you want to be the guys that just like, oh, we out. trying to clean shit. Give common effects that mod badge? Nah, no way. I give common mod badge, this whole stream goes to shit. Yo, you better not fucking close below right now. I'm telling you. Yo, don't fucking tempt me right now. I'm over here doing voodoo on candles and shit. It's not gonna close below, don't worry. If it does later, I'll take a trade, but I think that's our stream. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chat. We're gonna call it here. Thank you. If this, I don't care if this closes below right now, it's another 5 minutes, and I'll take this after the stream. It'd be fucked up, right? It could stay at 5 minutes longer and just take it here, get a W. Damn. Damn. This is how you would take it on stream, right? To what? To like manipulate the stream record? Is that what we're doing here? Is it what we're doing here? No, chat. This flip bullish. All right. Damn offline trader sound like someone I know. Hey, don't be comparing me to nobody. All right, chat. I love you. Not as much as I love my kids, but I love you just as well, right? So that's saying something. I appreciate all yous for coming through. Mods, thank you. Green, K, all the trolls, everyone in here, just helping us grow the community. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, chat. Thank you for getting me to 8K. Let's get to 10. No trades today. Still W week. Still W session. And yeah, go put one in the air for me. Go put one in the air for somebody. For somebody that needs it. Yeah, that's our session. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. That's our week. We'll be back on Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Same time, same place, same shit, different toilet seat, all right? And we're going to look to continue the fun next week, right? And we're on for our final session of the week tomorrow for the New York session, live stream with Don Vo. Show up over there, drop a like. Sub to his channel as well. Turn on notifications. This way you know when he's on. And turn on notifications for my channel. This way you know when I'm on. And between the two of us, you should have a lot, way more content than you need in order to actually get on the right track here. All right. I appreciate all of yous. 10K, here we go. Love and wisdom to you all. For real, love and wisdom. I truly love every single one of you. You guys can all do this. Man, some motivational speech. You can do it. No, just keep showing up, and you'll do it as a byproduct of just showing up here. Have a good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.